Hello everyone. Ever find yourself craving something spicy, savory, and just downright delicious? I've got the perfect recipe that'll satisfy those cravings in no time. Plus, it's super easy to make, even if you're short on time. When you eat lettuce wraps, as a side dish, it is very delicious to mix them with fresh vegetable bibimbap and butter, and wrap them with seaweed. On days when you're not feeling well and just want to take it easy, if your husband says he's hungry, simply grab some warm rice or bread and pull out some spicy gochujang stir-fry from the fridge. Hand it to him, and you'll get to witness a wild bear devouring its meal. Shall we make it together then? Cut the big green onion into long pieces. Slice the big green onions thinly. Please chop the onion into small pieces as well. After chopping all the vegetables, prepare the ground pork and minced garlic, then stir-fry them in a wok. Heat up your pan over medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil. Now add in the chopped onion and big green onion. Add minced garlic as well. As you stir-fry the vegetables, make sure to cook off the moisture. Once the moisture has evaporated, add the ground pork and continue to stir-fry. At this point, make sure to break up the meat so it doesn't clump together as it cooks. As you stir-fry, some oil will be released. Add soy sauce to it. If you want a richer flavor and more saltiness, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. When the soy sauce starts bubbling up like magma, mix it with the vegetables. Once the moisture has evaporated, add the sugar and continue to stir-fry. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting on your gas stove. Add the gochujang and cook for 5 minutes, stirring constantly. If the mixture gets too dry from overcooking, or if you prefer a milder flavor, you can add about 20 ml of water and continue to cook it. Once the stir-fried gochujang is finished, let it cool to room temperature. After it has cooled, cover it with a lid and store it in the refrigerator. It can typically be stored for about 6 months, but the storage time may be shorter depending on the moisture content.